Good morning friend, I am Saurabh from Technical Solution. In my last video, we were discuss about the basic rule of the root locus diagram. Okay. Now today I am going to solve the various problem based on the root locus diagram. The first problem asked in the GATE 2020. So the problem is okay friends. So in questions we find out the range of the saddle point. Okay, तो क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या दिया गया है, the value of the characteristics equation. Okay, the value of the characteristic equation is s cube plus 3s square plus k plus 2 into s plus 3k. Okay, तो सिंपली हमको क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने से पहले एक दो पॉइंट को हमेशा ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. तो पहला पॉइंट इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए क्या है कि जो रूट लोकस डायग्राम होता है वो ऑलवेज ओपन लूप ट्रांसफर फंक्शन के लिए ड्रॉ किया जाता है. ओके, तो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन का जो फॉर्मेट होता है वो होता है QS इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस GHS. Okay, so it is the open loop transfer function. Okay, so जो सबसे पहला टास्क है इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए, हाउ वी गेट द ओपन लूप ट्रांसफर फंक्शन फ्रॉम दीज इक्वेशन. ओके, तो सिंपली हमें कुछ नहीं करना है, द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ k को हमें न्यूमरेटर में रखना है और रेस्ट पार्ट को डिनोमिनेटर में पुट कर देना है. ओके, सो वी इजिली गॉट द ओपन लूप ट्रांसफर फंक्शन फ्रॉम द इक्वेशन. ओके, so GHS is equal to the coefficient of the k is s and 3, so we put s plus 3 k upon rest part of the equation. The rest part is s cube plus 3s square plus twice of s. Okay, इस इक्वेशन को हम और भी मॉडिफाइड कर सकते हैं, लाइक वी राइट s प्लस 3 इंटू के अपॉन s को कॉमन कर लिया और रेस्ट पार्ट को हम लिख दिए s प्लस 1 एंड s प्लस 2. तो सिंपली हमको कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन से हमने क्या फाइंड आउट कर लिया, ओपन लूप ट्रांसफर फंक्शन. अब इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए सिंपल इसी ओपन लूप ट्रांसफर फंक्शन से हम ड्रा करेंगे रूट लोकस डायग्राम. ओके, टू ड्रॉ द रूट लोकस डायग्राम वी फर्स्ट नीड द जीरोस एंड पोल्स. फ्रॉम द ओपन लूप ट्रांसफर फंक्शंस वी फाइंड द जीरोस एंड पोल्स. टू ऑब्टेन द जीरो वी सिंपली इक्वेट s प्लस 3 न्यूमरेटर पार्ट इज इक्वल टू 0 is equal to 0, s is equal to minus 3, so we find 0. Okay, on the same way to find out the pole we simply equate the denominator part is equal to 0, s plus 1 s plus 2 is equal to 0, so we get s is equal to 0. And if we equate s plus 1 is equal to 0, we get s is equal to minus 1. On the same way, s plus 2 is equal to 0 and s is equal to minus 2. So we got the pole 0, minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, so if we get the zeros and poles, then we simply draw the root locus diagram of the open loop transfer function. Okay, this is the imaginary axis and it is the real axis. So the location of the poles is 0, minus 1, minus 2, and the location of the zeros is minus 3. So we simply put the poles and 0. नाउ अब रूट लोकस डायग्राम को ड्रॉ करने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें माइंड में रखना है फोर्थ रूल्स. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू फोर्थ रूल्स the root locus diagram is where exist there the number of zeros or poles is in odd number. Okay, if we put our hand on this location, okay, on this location, okay, so in the right hand side the number of poles is 1, which is an odd number. Okay, so here the root locus are exist. ठीक है, on the same way if we put our hand on this location, okay, so in the right hand side 2 poles are present, which is an even number, so we can easily say that the root locus diagram does not exist on this location. Okay, we simply put our hand on this location and see the right hand side the 3 poles are present, which is an odd number, and root locus diagram exists here. On the same way, if we put our hand on this location, in the right hand side the 4 zeros and poles are present, so here root locus diagram does not exist. Okay, सिंपली क्वेश्चन में सिंपल पूछा गया है कि रेंज ऑफ द सैडल पॉइंट और द रेंज ऑफ द ब्रेक इन और ब्रेक अवे पॉइंट. ओके, सो वी सिंपली ड्रॉ द रूट लोकस. We know the branches of the root locus is started from the poles and it arrive at the zeros. Okay, so the root locus diagram is started at k is equal to 0 and it arrive at k is equal to infinite. Okay, so the saddle point is present. सैडल पॉइंट वहीं प्रेजेंट होता है जहां पे मल्टीपल रूट्स होते हैं. ओके, सो हियर मल्टीपल रूट्स आर प्रेजेंट. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन में सिंपल पूछा गया है कि व्हाट इज द रेंज ऑफ द सैडल पॉइंट. सो वी इजिली टिक द रेंज ऑफ द सैडल पॉइंट इज -1 to 0. ओके, so the option A is the right answer of the question. Okay, so we moving forward the next question. Okay, this question asked in GATE 2016. The question is simply asked the what is the value of the gain at the breakaway point. Okay, in questions open loop transfer function are given. Okay, we know how to find the zeros and poles from the open loop transfer function. So we got the zero and poles from the open loop transfer function. Then we simply draw the root locus diagram from this open loop transfer function. Okay, so we draw the open loop transfer function. This is the real axis and it is the imaginary axis. The location of zeros is at 0 and poles is here and here, 1 and 4. So we know the root locus are present here because at the right side 1 poles are present, which is an odd number. So here the root locus are present, but at this position root locus does not exist because at the right side 2 poles are present. So here root locus does not exist, but at this point 3 poles and 0 are present, so the root locus exists here. Okay, so the main funda is how to find the breakaway point. Okay, so to find the breakaway point we simply equate we simply find the 1 plus GHS is equal to 0. Okay, so 1 plus GHS, the value of the GHS is Ks upon S minus 1 into S minus 4. So we write Ks upon S minus 1 and S minus 4. So B is equal to 0. Okay, so further S minus 1 S minus 4 plus Ks is equal to 0, and we shift this position on the right hand side. So K is equal to minus S square minus 5S plus 4 upon S. Okay, to find the breakaway point we simply equate the dk upon ds is equal to 0. To find the breakaway point we find the dk upon ds is equal to 0. So here the value of the k is minus s square minus 5s plus 4 upon s. So we differentiate the value of the k in terms of s. So when we differentiate the value of k in terms of s, then minus d upon ds s square minus 5s plus 4 upon s is equal to 0. So when we differentiate, we apply the division rule of the differentiation. So we apply the division rule of the differentiation. So finally we find, after solving the equation, we find 2s square minus 5s minus s square 5s minus 4 is equal to 0. So 5s and 5s cancel out to each other. So 2s square minus 4 is equal to 0, or 2s square is equal to 4 and s is equal to plus minus 2. So we find the breakaway point is plus minus 2. When we see in the root locus diagram, then we easily find the breakaway point is plus 2. Okay. After finding the saddle point, our next task is to find the open loop gain. Okay, the saddle point is plus 2. When to find the gain from we keep in the mind, anywhere in root locus we find the gain, we have the formula. The open loop gain is equal to product of length of the phasor drawn from the all open loop poles to that point. Okay, upon product of length of the phasor drawn from all the open loop zeros to that point. Okay, from this formula we find out the gain at the saddle point. Okay, so the gain is product of length of the phasor from the all open loop poles. The value of the poles is plus 4 and plus 1. So the phasor is from 1 to the saddle point is 1 into the length of the phasor from the poles at plus 4 is 2. Okay, upon the length of the phasor from the zeros is 2. Okay, so 2 into 1 is 2 upon 2. Then the value of the gain is 1. So the option A is the correct answer. Okay, thanks for watching the video and keep supporting us and hit the like button on the video. Thank you guys.